All right, hey kids, welcome to section 5.1, sales tax. Today we're going to learn how to compute sales tax. And today's big question, why do you think you have to pay sales tax? What's the point of sales tax? Sales tax is generally used to accumulate money for a town or a city or a state. Different cities have different sales taxes, different states have different sales taxes. The sales tax in Danville is different than the sales tax in Westville or in Champaign or in Lafayette. So sales tax is set by each city and helps to pay for different things in the town. So here's some vocab. You just purchased a computer game at the electronics store. When you purchased it, you might have paid a state or local tax. So sales tax is a tax on the selling price of an item or a service that you purchase. The sales tax rate is usually expressed as a percent and varies from state to state. Many states that have a state sales tax permit county and city governments to add an additional tax to the state sales tax. So when you buy something at Meijer, you're not only paying an Illinois state sales tax, but you also might be paying a Champaign County sales tax or a Champaign City sales tax. So look, there are tons of taxes. Next time you get your receipt from anywhere, look at the different taxes that are down at the bottom. So to find the total selling price of an item, you're going to add up all the stuff that you purchased. And then to find the sales tax, you're going to take the total selling price and multiply by the sales tax rate and make sure that the sales tax rate is written as a decimal. Okay, so let's see some examples. Harley Watson bought a cell phone for $199.95 and a phone case for $19.95. What is the total selling price? So the total selling price would be the two items added together. So $199.95 plus $19.95. And so that's going to give us a total of $219.90. Letter B says, what is the sales tax if Harley lives in Austin, Texas, where the state tax rate is 6.25% and the combined local, city, and county tax rate is 2%? Well, first we have to find the total percentages. So I can take the 6.25% and add the 2%, and that's going to give me an 8.5% sales tax. And then I take the total purchase price, $219.90, and I multiply by 8.5% as a decimal, so 0.085. Money always has two decimals, so you want to round to two decimals. That's $18.14. So Harley is going to pay an additional $18.14 on her cell phone and case. All right, example number 2, Sandy Zupa bought an outboard motor for a total selling price of $430 in Maine, which has a 7% state sales tax rate. Calculate the sales tax. So you take your total purchase price, which is $430, and you multiply by the percentage as a decimal, 0.07. And that's going to give a sales tax of $30.10. All right, so basically you just take the total purchase price and multiply by the percentage as a decimal. All right, this question here is dealing with this box of stuff. We got iPad, coat, electronic, game, cell phone, spa treatment, gift certificate, live theater ticket, and a laptop. Totally random items and totally random prices, but we'll go with it. If Ethan wanted to buy 2 iPads, a live theater ticket, and 2 electronic games, what is the total selling price? Well, 2 iPads. Each iPad is $206.93, so if I want 2 of them, I multiply 2 times $206.93. Then I'm going to add on the live theater ticket, which is $139.50. And then I'm going to add on 2 electronic games, so 2 times 3272. All right, so 2 times 206.93 is 413.86 plus 139.50. And then 2 times 3272 is 65.44. Add all that up, grand total is $618.80. That is a lot of money for Ethan to pay. Okay, letter B, what is the total sales tax if there was a 5% sales tax and a 1.2% city sales tax? Well, add your percents together. So 5% and 1.2% is, that's really ugly. 1.2. So that gives us 6.2%. And then I take our total purchase price, $618.80, and I multiply by 6.2% as a decimal, 0.062. Remember, you move that decimal 2 spots to the left. And so if I multiply those together, I get $38.37. All right. If you guys have any questions, please make sure you ask. And as always, keep calm and keep trucking.